Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on analytical puzzles. It says there are four married couples in a family. They are returning to India from different countries, namely France, Germany, Japan, and Pakistan. Anand, Preetham, Raju, and Prabhu are males. Rupa, Neetha, Menku, and Mozi are females. Each couple comes one after another. Raju arrived immediately after the couple who were returning from Germany, but immediately before Rupa. Preetham arrived immediately before Mozi. Prabhu is returning from Pakistan. Anand arrived immediately before Minku, who is not returning from France. Minku arrived immediately before the couple returning from Japan. Then there is a question followed by it. So let us see how we can approach such a question in which there are certain statements given and these conditions are to be utilized to solve a particular question. So let's see how we can approach this question. So what is given in the question is that they are coming from different countries, namely France, Germany, Japan and Pakistan. And the male people are Anand, Preetham, Raju and Prabhu, and the females are Rupa, Neetha, Minku and Mozi. The first line says Raju arrived immediately after the couple who are returning from Germany. So if this is Raju, he arrived after the couple who is coming back from Germany. Also, it is mentioned that but immediately before Rupa. That means Raju comes before Rupa. So we're just trying to make the sequence of countries, then male, and then female in this order. Next line says Preetham arrived immediately before Mozi. So I'm just going to put this information somewhere else. Preetham comes before Mozi, who is a female. This is your next information. The next line says Prabhu is returning from Pakistan. That means the male Prabhu is going to come from Pakistan. So we have just tried to gather all the information. The next line says Anand arrived immediately before Minku. That means Anand arrives before Minku. And Minku does not come from France. Minku arrived immediately before the couple returning from Japan. So if here is Minku, she arrives before the couple coming from Japan. So this is what is given in the question. Now let us try to figure out where can we put these people in the given sequence. So as we know that in this sequence, Germany, Raju and Rupa. If I try and put Anand somewhere in between, I cannot put Anand here because already the male person is Raju. If I put Anand over here, so if I put Anand here, please understand what's happening. If I put Anand here, Minku would come here and the other person will be coming from Japan after Minku. But as you can see, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it comes out as 5 couples, which is not possible. So therefore your assumption of putting Anand over here is incorrect. And hence Minku does not come here and Japan does not come here. So next is, can we put Anand over here? No, we cannot because already Raju is here. So next is, if we put Anand with Germany, that means Minku comes here and Rupa comes back from Japan. Now please understand, if Anand is from Germany, Raju is from some other country which we do not know, Rupa is from Japan, that means Rupa should have Preetham over here because Prabhu comes from Pakistan. Therefore, the only male left here is Preetham. And also it is given that Preetham comes before Mozzie. As it was already given somewhere, Preetham arrived immediately before Mozzie. So if this is Preetham and if I put Mozzie here, that means the only person who is left comes from Pakistan. If it comes here, that means we have to put France here. But as we know, France and Minku does not go together. So therefore our assumption of putting Anand here goes wrong. So let me quickly rewrite this information. Whatever we had, someone coming back from Germany has Raju followed by it and Rupa after them. So now the only place left for Anand is this one. And if Anand comes here, he comes before Minku. So therefore Minku comes from Germany. And also it is given that Minku arrived immediately before the couple returning from Japan. So that means Raju comes from Japan. Also it is given that Preetham arrives before Mozzie. So the only place which is left for Preetham is this one. So Preetham arrives before Mozzie. And thus the only female left in the sequence becomes Neetha. And the only male who is left becomes Prabhu, who definitely comes from Pakistan. That means Anand comes from France. So this is what the sequence is. Now our question is, which of the following shows the correct order of arrival? Now as we can see, the order of arrival is Anand, Preetham, Raju and Prabhu. So in the first sequence it is Anand and Raju, and thus it is incorrect. The second sequence starts with Prabhu, it is incorrect. The third one starts with Anand, Preetham, Prabhu and Raju, whereas it should be Raju and then Preetham. Therefore this is incorrect. And hence answer to this question becomes none of the above, because our sequence is Anand, Preetham, Raju and then it goes to Prabhu. So this is how the sequence is. So I hope you have understood how to solve such a question based on analytical puzzles. Thank you everyone.